Welcome to Takeaways, quick, focused episodes from Take a Cue, where we share concise insights, tips, and ideas to help you on your musical journey.
In the next few minutes, you'll get practical advice and inspiration you can carry with you. Let's dive in.
If you're working with limited rehearsal time, every moment counts. That's why I'm diving into a quick but powerful practice today, one that can make a big difference in your band's sound. Hey, I'm Erik, one of the hosts of Take a Cue, and I'm looking forward to talking to you today about the Breathing Gym, a series of breathing exercises by Sam Palafian and Patrick Sheridan. If you haven't already, check out their videos and books for full body breathing exercises that go beyond just the lungs. These exercises engage your entire body to help develop stronger breath control and stamina. Now let's talk about how this translates to your music making. By incorporating these exercises into your warm-ups, you can transfer the work to long tones and tone exercises. Over time, this encourages deeper breathing, better posture, and improved tone quality, all essential elements for performance. Don't worry, these exercises won't eat up your rehearsal time. They're quick, effective, and won't take more than a few minutes to integrate into your routine. Here's how I use it in my classroom every Wednesday. I'll ask the students to stand in front of their seats and carefully rest their instruments on their chair, or for larger instruments, the floor. We start with a few of the flow exercises, breathing in and out through their mouths while raising and lowering their arms. We begin with long breaths in and long breaths out. 8 beats in, 8 beats out. Then we start shortening the inhalation to 4 beats, 2 beats, and then 1 beat, and lengthening the exhalation to 12 and 16 beats. Exhalation resistance can be introduced by using the syllable S, or as we call it, hissing. After a few weeks of working on the flow exercises, I will introduce the airspeed activities. Students take a full mouth breath in and then blow out using different amounts of force while pantomiming. For pianissimo air, we float a paper airplane. For mezzo air, we throw a dart at a dartboard. And for fortissimo air, we pretend to shoot a bow and arrow. When the students are done, I first remind them to look behind them and pick up their instruments. Then they carefully sit back down. Here's a bonus. As your students become more competent, they can actually lead these exercises. Once your band is comfortable with them, let the students take charge. It's a great way to build leadership skills while reinforcing the importance of solid fundamentals. So whether you're working with limited time or just looking for a focused way to improve breathing, posture, and tone quality, these quick exercises can make a big impact.
3, 2, 1.
Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Takeaways.
For more in-depth discussions and insights, be sure to check out our full-length episodes of Take a Cue.
If you found this helpful, please rate and review the podcast. It really helps us reach more music educators just like you.
Subscribe on your favorite podcast app so you never miss an episode. And don't forget to connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for more content and updates.
Finally, share this podcast with your friends and colleagues who are passionate about music education. Until next time, let's get out there and make great music.